Assalamu alaikum class 10th. Today we are going to start over unit number 4, first aid. So let's come towards the reading questions. What is this lesson about? So the title or your lesson gives you the basic knowledge about the first aid. What the title is telling you, first aid, it is telling you something about, it is telling you, giving you providing you information about the first aid. Okay, question number 2, what do you understand by first aid? So basically the immediate medical aid given to an injured person is called first aid. First aid क्या है? Basically the immediate medical aid given to an injured person is called first aid. Have you ever given the first aid to anyone? This is definitely your personal experience. You have to tell your own experience whether you have or not. Now let's start the lesson. Paragraph number 1. We all need help at times in our lives. Okay, first what we have to do, look at the theme of the lesson before starting the your unit. First aid means responding to an emergency situation. So what does first aid mean? Responding to an emergency situation. Accidents happens always unexpectedly. So you got an answer of your first question. What is this lesson about, or what do you understand by the first aid? That first aid means responding to an emergency situation. Accidents happens always unexpectedly, but a life can be saved by having a basic knowledge of what to do in emergency and knowing proper first aid procedure. But a life can be saved. So what the basically theme or you can say lesson is about, a life can be saved by having basic knowledge. That everyone should have some basic knowledge that what to do if somebody's life is in danger situation, or if anybody see an emergency. Knowing proper first aid procedure. Basic training in first aid skills should be taught in schools. So it should be taught in schools, in workplace and in journal. Be learned by all, as it is mandatory to our modern and stressful life. So it is important for everyone, and it should be taught in our schools. They should be training, or we should have some basic training, or you can say our children should have some basic knowledge about the first aid, that what they are supposed to do in workplace and in general. Be learned by all, as it is mandatory, it is very important, or you can say essential to our modern and stressful life. Okay, let's come towards the lesson. We all need help at times in our lives. Sometimes we may have accidents and we may get hurt. When we are injured or suddenly become unwell, we need someone to help us, someone who knows what to do it. So everybody, if somebody is injured, we should know what to do and how to do. Who knows what to do? It is the temporary and immediate help. So it is an immediate help for the timely assistance comprising simple medical techniques. और जो फौरी तौर पे assistance चाहिए होती है, help होती है, that is comprising means consist of simple medical technique, is most critical to be victim and is often life saving. So it is often simple medical techniques हैं, the most critical to the victim and is often life saving Any lay person can be trained. Lay person means common man, to administer first aid. He can do this. A common man also can be trained, and he can help, or you can say he can help the injured person. The first aid can be carried out using minimal equipment. Minimal equipment, बहुत थोड़े से equipment के through भी first aid हो सकती है. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts to dealing with an unconscious victim. So now what to do? Number one, first a common man should know, he should have some common knowledge about the first aid, that how he can handle a person who is injured or victim. Handling minor accidents at home on the road develop a sense of crisis management. Minor accidents means minor or small cuts. This may prepare people to tackle with unexpected emergencies with great confidence. When somebody can tackle or handle minor things, it means that he can handle unexpected emergencies with great confidence. So one should have confident that one should have such confidence that he can handle minor things that sometimes happen unexpectedly. Minor cuts and scrapes really do not need to go to the emergency room. So when we have some minor cuts or some minor injuries, we do not run for the hospital. Yet proper care is essential to avoid infection or other complications. So what a person needed to do, that a proper, you can say, proper care that can avoid infection or other complications. Following guideline can be help stop the bleeding. First of all, a person, what he has to do, stop the bleeding. If they don't apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth, means and there is bleeding, so what they have to do, they have to do some bandage on that wound, hold the pressure continuously for 20-30 seconds, and possibly elevate the wound. Elevate means lift the wound. Don't keep checking to see if the bleeding has stopped, और ये continuously चेक नहीं करते रहना बैंडेज करके कि ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप हुई है, कैन बिकॉज दिस में डैमेज और डिसलोकेट द क्लॉट. तो क्या होगा कि ये डैमेज हो सकता है या डिसलोकेट हो सकता है, क्या क्लॉट दैट इज़ फॉर्मिंग एंड कॉज ब्लीडिंग टू रिज्यूम, जो किसी भी ब्लीडिंग की रीज़न बना था, ठीक है, उस चीज़ को डिसलोकेट कर सकता है. Clean the wound. What you have to do, rinse out the wound with clean water to clean the area around the wound. Use a soap and a washcloth, but soap can irritate the wound. So क्या है, soap irritate कर सकता है. So try to keep it cut the actual wound. If dirt or debris means dust, ठीक है, remains in the wound after washing, अगर ये रह जाता है, use to advisor clean with the अल्कोहल. तो फिर आपने किससे साफ़ करना है, अल्कोहलिक चीज़ होती है उससे, जैसे डिटोल है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, टू रिमूव द